Let's get to know the AquaMax Eco Expert pumps. These top-of-the-line brushless DC pumps come in a couple of flavors. The Aquarius versions, special-purpose pumps designed for use with decorative fountain nozzles, and the AquaMax versions, designed to pick up and pass debris to a pond filter, like the AquaMax Eco Expert we have here. Configured out of the box to sit on the bottom of the pond, with the discharge out the side to allow the discharge pipe to lay flat on the bottom, all Eco Expert pumps feature intake screens that can be rotated to realign the discharge or removed completely to be used in line with the pump plumbed outside the water feature. Like all AquaMax pumps, they are powerful, economical, and safe, renowned for moving thousands of gallons per hour for a few hundred watts. A proprietary grounding plate built into every AquaMax pump carries stray electrical current from any source safely to ground. And for even greater peace of mind, there are low-voltage models as well. Of the 4 models of the AquaMax Eco Experts, 2 are 220-volt versions, the 6800 and the 11500, and 2 are low-voltage pumps, the 5300 12-volt and the 7100 12-volt, that use 120-volt to 12-volt transformers. The box has all the information needed to specify the right pump, with sizes, capacities, and voltage information clearly displayed. Inside, an extensive manual covers installation, maintenance, and troubleshooting, with clear illustrations and text in multiple languages. The fitting set covers both submersed and external installations, with barbed union fittings from 1.5" up to 2.5 inches, and the versatile 1.5" or 2-inch Schedule 40 adapter for flexible PVC pipe. Because the AquaMax line are dedicated water garden pumps designed to sit in the bottom of the pond, the unions allow the pump to be removed without disturbing the discharge plumbing line, which can be concealed in stones or gravel as it lays flat on the floor of the pond. The pump itself is impressively large, with a handle at the center of gravity to make it easy to lift. The stainless steel intake screen boasts plenty of surface area to take in and deliver fish wastes, excess food, and plant debris up to 7/16 of an inch, 11 millimeters in diameter, directly to a filter without clogging, even when covered with leaves and debris. A smart pump, the AquaMax Eco Expert features the AquaMax Environmental Function Control that shuts the pump down in case of blockage or low water level. It's designed to withstand freezing down to minus 20 degrees centigrade, that's 4 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit, without damage. Seasonal flow control, accessed by a blue button on the pump or remotely, lowers both the flow and the electrical consumption automatically as temperatures and oxygen demand drop at the end of the season. If remote control is desired, the ports at the rear of the pump may be connected by cable to either an Eco Control module for on-site control at the module itself, or to an AquaMax Garden Cloud Control module, which links to the house's Wi-Fi. Download the AquaMax Control application from the App Store or Play Store to vary the pump's output from 0 to 100% flow instantly, as well as monitor and control other devices, including pond filters and lighting blocks, up to 10 total on your favorite mobile device via the AquaMax Control app. And that's everything you ever wanted to know about the new AquaMax Eco Expert pumps, but were afraid to ask. Check out the installation and maintenance videos for more information on these cutting-edge pumps. You'll find those videos and many more on our YouTube channel and website. Don't forget to like, follow, and share us on social media. See you in the next video.